Hi, good day to everyone. I am Lakshmi. Now going to teach about C programming and data structure. The course code is CS3353 for the degree of BE ECV for third semester second year. Now we're going to see about the basics of C programming, the data types, variable, operators, and how the input output functions are worked all are see in this session now. First of all, we're going to see about the introduction of the programming languages. The programming languages are classified into three types: low-level languages, middle-level languages, and high-level languages. The low-level languages comes under the bit operation of zeros and ones. These also comes under the bit operation languages, that is called assembly languages. And high level languages, it is then in like English languages, it is understandable by human very well. For example, for Pascal, Fortran, C, C++, Java, Python, all are the high level languages. C is under the middle level languages, neither low level languages nor high level languages. It is suitable for both types also. It is used to develop application programs, system software, and operating system also. So C is the comes under high level languages, and C is the general purpose structured programming languages developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratory. It is very powerful, efficient, compact, and flexible languages used by the user, and highly portable languages. Why it is called as portable? Because it can be used in any operating system without changing any basic structure, and also robust languages. It has many built-in functions and operators that are used to design many complex C programs. After the introduction, we see about the basic structure of the C programming language. There are many sections are available in the C program. There are 6 sections are available in the C program. That is called documentation section, pre-processor section, definition section, global declaration section, main function, and subprogram. First, we see about the documentation section. In the documentation section, it contains the details of name of the author, program, and layout of the programs are all available in the documentation section. It is a non-executable one. It contains the command line only. The command line are written by the start from class asterisk and end with the asterisk and slash. The command lines are not executable. The compiler ignored the command line. It is only used for human identification only. Next one, we go to see about the pre-processor session. The hash symbol is identify the pre-processor session. It is called macros. It is used to link to the system libraries and also the macro function and also the control functions. These are the pre-processor session. Then comes to definition and global declaration session. In the global declaration session, all global variables are declared. It is accessible by many sessions of the programs, and it is useful to all functions also. The main function is the main thing for the C program. The executable part starts from this main section. It contains declaration part and the executable part. The declaration part contains local variables, that initialization and the declaration also. The subprogram, the executable part contains other values of the program. The subprograms are the sub-functions of the C program. These are the basic structure of the C program. Now come to see about other more basics like keyword. data types, arithmetic operators, and many operators also. In keywords, there are 32 keywords are available in C programming, C data types, and arithmetic operators. The keywords are usable for in all chapters like character, static, if, for, while, written, like this. 32 keywords are available. The data types are limited, primary, user-defined, derived, and void. These data types are basic data types, int, character, float, double. These are the basic data types. And also we have operators. The arithmetic operator is a basic operator like plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are some of the basics of C programming. Then we come to see the first program. In every programming language, Hello World is the basic program for everything. First, we see about the command line. Program print Hello World. Start from class, hashes, and end with hashes and flag. And another pre-processor session. Hash symbol is presented. Included standard IO.H. The standard IO.H is a standard library for input and output function. The main function is available. It is the sortable executable form, and printf is used to print whatever inside the double quotation mark. Now we print the hello world program. It returns it is the integer data type is written, so it will return 0. The output is hello world. This is the hello world. We're going to see about another example. This is also the predefined section has included standard IO.type, and we have the variable declaration form. In the variable declaration form, we include the select the number as a variable. We have the data type for the variable integer, so it's called as int, and inside the value 4 to the variable. Now we're going to print the value 4 to the variable n. We're using the printf function, and the percentage %DASM is a control string of the format specifier to print the value of 4 for the integer data type. So now we're going to print the value, the number is 4. Now going to see one more program. This is also you print the number, get from the user. How you get from the user and print the number is declared in this program. As usual, we have the command line section and preprocessor section. Has include standard IO.H is the preprocessor section, and main of function returns the integer data type and declare the number as a variable, as the data type has int, and in the printf function we print enter a number and get the output from the scanf function using ampersand symbol. The ampersand symbol gives the address of the variable, and the percentage gives the control string for the number. You get from the value from the user and print the number as what you get from the user. Return the value 0. It is an integer data type. This is also one more program to get the value from the user and print the number as a 4. This we have noted in C programming language also have errors. There are two types of errors in the C programming language, that is compilation error and runtime error. The compiler generally gives the line number where the error is present, and at the runtime what are the errors are present in the program it will be visible. So two types of errors are available in the C programming language, that is compilation error and runtime error. And some more data types are now we're going to see. In the first slide, we see about the basic data types. The primary data type is int, float, character, and doubled. We have the modifiers also, that is signed and unsigned. We have int for 2 to 4 bytes used to store the integer values. And for character data type, it's 1 byte that is used to store the character value. Float and decimals are 4 and 8 bytes are used to store the decimal number. And user-defined data types are available, that is type definition, enum, structure, and union. These are the user-defined data types used in the going to see about more operators, that is prefix increment, postfix increment operator. In prefix increment operator, first for if we see about the example, int a equal to 5. First the value is incremented, then printed the value. See the example, first the value is incremented as 5 to 6, so b equal to 6, and the value a equal to a is also 6. But in the postfix increment, first we print the value, then we increment the value and print it. See the example, int a equal to 5. First we print the value b equal to 5 and a is also 6. These are the prefix increment and postfix increment also. Then we see about the modulus operator. It is called remainder. In the remainder operator, we use the percentage symbol. For example, 12 percentage 5 is equal to 2. This is the modulus operator. Then assignment operator is available in the C programming language. It is a shortcut method. A compound assignment program is available in the C programming language. It is usable for int a equal to 5. For example, a equal to a plus 5, a plus 5. Likewise, we use a plus equal to 1. We use as value of a become 5. This is used for minus, acid, division, and also modulus also use this assignment operator. See the continuation of the operation, we see about the comparison operator and bitwise operator. The comparison operators are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, exclamatory, equal to, not equal to, logical and logical. These are the comparison operators. Likewise, the bitwise operations are available. In the operator, we importantly see about the operator presidency. The operator presidency is important for all operation operating. So all operators have precedence over each other. Asterisk and slash are more precedence over plus and minus. The associativity comes for asterisk and slash, then goes to plus and minus. For example, 5 plus 4 into 3 equal to, first we calculate 4 into 3, then we calculate 5 plus 12 equal to 17. These are the operator presidency. The presidency table comes as highest to lowest. For what we are postfix, prefix, asterisk, slash, modulus, plus, minus, shift left, shift right, less than, greater than, bitwise and bitwise or logical and logical. These are the precedence of the operator comes under the table. Then we go to see about the input and output operation. We already see in the example program the input and output operations are using as printf and scanf. The printf is used to print on the screen and scanf is used to get the output from the user and also use the ampersand symbol, allocate the memory for the address for the variable, and more of the format specifiers are available. This format specifier are used for the data types used to develop are the format specifiers are used for the data types are available in this format specifier. Percentage D, the character format specifier. Percentage D, the integer format specifier. Percentage I, the integer format specifier. Percentage F, the floating format specifier, floating point format specifier. Percentage O, unsigned octal format specifier. Percentage S, the string format specifier. Percentage U, the unsigned integer format specifier. And percentage X, the unsigned hexadecimal format specifier. Percentage output as a percentage sign. These are the main format specifiers. Then now we see in this session what are the data types, what are the variable, what are the operators, and what are the input and output function and example program. Any doubts and queries or requests